So here I have the all new Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge dummy device, and Samsung have made some massive changes in here.
Introducing Galaxy S25 Edge.
So first off, we have dual cameras on the rear, and Evan Blast confirms this a 200 megapixel main sensor. The second one is likely a 12 megapixel super wide angle camera, and then there's an LED flash. Yes guys, the camera module is quite similar to that of the iPhone 16, we just cannot deny that, but it looks great. Now exciting part is, it is the first Samsung flagship with ultra thin 5.8mm titanium frame and weighs just 163 grams. So a really thin and solid device with flagship grade specifications. Samsung is using Corning glass ceramic too for better protection, likely the same anti-reflective material and shield used in the S25 Ultra. So best in class specs in here. This is how the S25 Edge looks in comparison to the S25 Ultra, and the thickness is shockingly the size of S25 Ultra's S Pen. So a really exciting flagship it is. The S25 Edge is coming with Qualcomm 8 Elite chip, which is powerful and power efficient. It's based on TSMC 3nm process with Orion custom CPU. This chipset can even play games like GTA 5 using emulation. So a really powerful device it is. This all with Samsung OneUI 7 icing on top, one of the best UI skin right now with navbar, smooth animations and lots of features. Samsung is packing it with a 3900 mAh battery, which may sound small because it's small, but the optimization is really good, so it's likely gonna last longer. The rumored pricing is approx $1299, which is like really expensive and overpriced I guess. No one is gonna spend that much amount just for a thin flagship. Like, I would pick the S25 Ultra over this anytime, any day. Thanks guys for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.